Hey guys, what's up and welcome once again to my channel. It's Ali here with another video for you guys. If you are new to my channel, then please go ahead and take a second to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you've been rocking with me since day one, welcome on back. So in today's video, I decided I was going to try out some new products. I've actually been having these products like sitting in my home for a while. I received them in my Sally Beauty like February love box, if I'm not mistaken. So the product that I'm going to be trying out is by the Doux. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, and it's their Good Day Finishing Cream. And so I wanted to try something different, considering that I've been using the same products for a while now, the exception of the Main Choice, which I just introduced. And so I was just like in this whole experimenting phase, and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna see what other products I have lying around and I'm gonna try those out as well. So y'all, if you have used this before, this is the finishing cream. It smells like, not like cotton candy, but like, it has such a bomb smell, and I really like it because it's very faint, but like it smells so good. It smells like, you know, those little like it's not, what is it? It's the little Halloween candies. They usually look like a little triangle. The name has completely slipped my name. If you know, please leave it in the comments down below. But that's what this smells like. And then as far as an oil, to help seal all of that in, I'm going to be using the Black Castor Miracle Hair and Scalp Sealing Oil. And I actually really like this oil. I've used it a few times before, so the only real new product that I'm going to be trying out is by the Doux. I've used this in the past plenty of times and I absolutely love it. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright y'all, so starting off with my spray bottle, I'm going to spritz that section and pretty much just work the water in. Y'all already know what my routine is, so I'm just working that water in and lightly finger detangling. Once I've gone ahead and done that, I'm going to go ahead and apply some of the Doux cream onto my hair. And it smells really, really good, so I just smoothed this on throughout that entire section, and instantly my hair felt really, really soft and it just glided on my hair easily. Then I'm just detangling with my wide tooth comb, which is definitely a staple in all of my styling videos. Going in with that Black Castor Miracle Oil, I'm applying it on top of the finishing cream to add extra shine and to seal all of that moisture in. And I'm now going to commence my braid. Is God himself. All these other niggas is below me. Word to fight Q-Tip, Ali and Jerobi. What up, Queens? Cole is the king. You know that. Started with a dollar in a dream. You know that. Never give a bird but your ring. You should know that. I just like to go in with a bit more of that finishing cream to smooth on to the rest of my hair as I finish my braid and get closer to my ends. And I just take my time with this, making sure to braid as tightly as I can so that this is really defined, and apply some more of that cream onto my ends and secure everything with a perm rod. So the next thing is to literally repeat the same step on that next section. Once all of my hair is braided, this is pretty much what I was left with. I did a total of 6 braids, and you can already see a ton of that shine seeping through. I was also really happy with how I braided my hair. I usually don't braid this tight. I'm going in with my As I Am Dry Itchy Scalp Care Oil, and I'm applying that all throughout my scalp. This is an amazing oil to help battle any itches and just dry, flaky scalp in general. So I've been using this consistently, and as you guys can see, my seborrheic dermatitis has cleared up thanks to this line, so I'm really happy with that. The valley of the shadow of death, where
niggas hold text like they mad at the ref. That's why I keep a cross on my chest, either that or a vest. Do you believe that Eve had Adam and
Once that oil is on, I'm just going to now set and secure my hair with my satin scarf. I get these at my local 99-cent store. They're only like $2 and I absolutely love them. They're big and they're really, really silky. And then I further secure the rest of my hair with my satin bonnet by Glow by Day. I actually need a new one because this one has gone through everything with me. And yeah, I'm good to go for the night and knock out. Alright guys, so it's been 2 days since I went ahead and braided my hair, as you guys saw in the last clip. So today I'm just going to go ahead and take these down, and I won't be talking much. I'll probably do a voiceover, or you know what, yeah, I'm just going to keep my mouth shut, take these down, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts at the end. Alright y'all, so as you can see, my braids are set and they are looking really, really good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove all of those perm rods and then commence to take down all of these braids.
kids, but she's swallowing mine. And that's why you all on my mind. All on my line like calling number 9. Cause a nigga popping like Harlem in the 9-7. Way before Mace was a reverend. I was a young nigga making A's at 11 or 12. Trying to get a taste of the heaven or hell. Only time gonna tell. Fuck a while mama home, baby, don't yell.
So far, this is what my hair is looking like once I've gone ahead and taken my first section down. Once I was completely done, this is what my hair looked like prior to fluffing and picking. So now I'm gonna go in with my pick and just fluff and add some volume. I really was digging the shine and the volume in my hair already, so I just wanted to add a bit more volume to it.
Down to the garden.
I also like to make sure to go under so that I'm not just picking up top and I have just bomb volume everywhere. And I add some of that oil onto my edges, and that's it.
You know that? No shit last. No shit last. You know that? The hell got hot, didn't melt. Only man above me is God himself. All these other niggas is below me. Word to fight Q-Tip, Ali and Jerobi.
Alright guys, so now that I've completely finished fluffing and picking and all that good stuff, now it's time for the real stuff. How do I feel about this product? So all in all, I'm gonna have to give it an 8 out of 10. I feel my hair did turn out really good. The only reason I would say I'm giving it an 8 out of 10 is because I didn't do this on freshly washed hair. So right now my hair does feel a little like, you know when your hair feels pasty because it's blended with the other products that you have in your hair. So that's what my hair feels like right now. As far as the softness of it, it's definitely there. The definition is obviously there, so I'm really happy with that. Plus I kept my hair in the braids for 2 days just to see how well the hold was. As far as the hold, it definitely has a light hold, which I like. Scent is almost non-existent, so I can like smell it, but anyone around me probably wouldn't be able to smell the scent of this product in my hair. So for now it's an 8 out of 10. I will try it again on freshly washed hair to see how I like it then, but I'm really loving the shine as well and just the softness of my hair, and it does have a really nice bounce to it as well. So this is definitely a product that I would go back to when doing a braid out or a twist out, whatever. Right now for a braid out, it's looking bomb.com. I'm not even gonna lie. And I do have an event to go to, which is why your girl's face is all done up. I usually do not do my makeup like this, but I really like how it turned out. It feels really soft. It looks really dope. I think a girl gonna be going back to her braid outs again. So if you guys have tried out this product, it's the Good Day Finishing Cream by the Doux. And if you have tried this product out in the past, please feel free to let me know in the comments down below what you thought of it. If it's one of your go-tos, if you absolutely love it, if it didn't work out for your hair. if it didn't work out for your hair, let me know in the comments down below. You can also find this at Target. I've seen it at Target a few times, as well as like your local stores like Walgreens and CVS and Duane Reade. I'm not too sure on the price point, but I'm gonna link all of that down below. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I can't talk today. Please make sure to leave me some comments, like, share, and subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
And my bitch to the love trip.